Welcome to Kurt's Home Living. I'm making my original recipe, stewed chicken. Heavily salt and pepper the chicken and add olive oil. Sear the chicken on both sides. Now my original seasoning rub. Pimento, paprika, star anise, cumin, turmeric, blend. Now add the seasoning rub. Onions, green peppers, ginger, habanero, red peppers, seasoning blend. Stir, thyme, garlic, browning, stir, and add chicken. Stir, cover, and here it goes. Stewed chicken, rice, and veggies. This was delicious. Thanks for watching Kurt's Home Living.